Distinguished guests, esteemed partners, members of the academic community, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Vice Chancellor and the entire University of Lagos community, I warmly welcome you to this impactful workshop on the Stakeholders Participatory Nature Futures Framework under the Solving FCB West African Initiative. Once again, you are most welcome, and I wish you a successful and enriching workshop. And on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, I declare the workshop open. Thank you.
As you all are aware of, the oceans are changing rapidly, and that many of the aspects of ecosystem.
Without doubt, we all know that all that have been said ever since the commencement of this gathering, that the coastal and marine ecosystem of Nigeria is highly productive, very rich in biodiversity, and it supports food security, livelihood, and coastal economies. But however, they are faced with quite numerous pressures, such as the climate change, microplastic pollution, and IUU, which is quite depleting the already stressed fisheries in our ecosystem.
My name is Professor Adebayo Titolu. I'm an ecotoxicologist, and I'm happy to participate in the Stakeholders Workshop, which has a nexus between food, biodiversity, climate change, and plastic pollution. So it's great to be here.
My name is Margaret Akwete from the University of Cape Coast, Ghana. I'm the coordinator for the Ghana FCB project. So I'm here representing University of Cape Coast, GIMPA, and UNE on the FCB project. It's exciting to be in University of Lagos today to join this stakeholder workshop to learn about how we can all work together to feed ourselves, to feed the future in the midst of climate change and pollution going on. Why is this critical? Because food is essentially it's an important need for man. Without food, our survival is in question, it's limited. So we need to work hand in hand in order to sustainably manage our food resources for ourselves, for our children, for the future.